I was a student here back in 1980 to 85. I know that that was around the time when the land was purchased.
In 1974, Dr. Kuipers from the English department suggested that a proper college of Calvin sort should have an on-campus nature preserve. In 1976, the first meeting of the Calvin Center for Christian Studies proposed a preserve on this part of the campus. In the summer of 1985, a group of students from the engineering department, under my direction and that of Marv Vanderwall, created the trails, installed the bridges and the pond overlooks, and essentially we created a public accessible preserve. We have the preserve not only as a place to maintain ecosystems and wildlife, but also to provide a place for passive recreation.
We keep a really healthy, beautiful representation of the creation right near us so that we can benefit from its presence and from its beauty.
Calvin's Preserve is beautiful and wonderful. It is a place of refuge, not just for the animals, not just for the nature, but a place of refuge for me. There's no judgment out there, there's no homework out there, there's just peace.